see you. It always comes around as I've been lived. When the rain stops, you shine on me. Your light's the only thing that keeps the cold out. Moon in the summer night, whispering of the stars, to singing like Christmas trees for us.
One day, I never thought such moment. Hi, my name is Jake, and this is my story. I never expected that a girl would come, would make my heart skip a beat. The girl with a sweet smile that could melt even the coldest of hearts. Her laughter is like music to my ears, just filling me with joy and happiness. In her eyes, I see a reflection of beauty and grace, a sight that takes my breath away every time.
Sorry, I didn't saw you because I'm in a hurry.
No, it's okay.
Oh wait, I gotta go, bye.
Wait, miss.
And that day, I met someone I knew I'd cherish for the rest of my life. Someone special, and someone who's worthy to love.
Are you staring at Jenny?
No, I'm not.
Nah, you're staring at her. I saw you. Don't worry, I got you. Jenny, I have something to tell you. Oh, what's that? Sounds interesting. I think Jude had feelings for you.
Why do you say so?
I saw him staring at you while you're practicing.
And then, what about it?
I don't know. I just feel it.
Gosh.
Oh, Jake,
Yes.
come here. I want you to meet my best friend, Jenny. Jenny, I want you to meet Jake also. My friend.
Hi, Jeannie.
Oh, hello, Jay.
Now, you know each other.
Jenny, I forgot to return your towel. Here.
Oh, thank you, Jay.
Wanna go for a walk?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go.
And that day, we started talking about life, our backgrounds, hobbies, our likes and dislikes, and almost everything about us. We also got to the point where I asked her for a date and hung out.
Jenny, are you busy today?
No, I'm not. Why?
I want to hang out with you if you don't mind.
Yeah, sure. After class.
Okay, I would love to. See you.
Bye.
Our very first date turns great. It helped us to not just create memories, but to also observe and know each other more. The real us. I didn't notice that I am falling to her even more. And that day, I decided to confess my feelings to her without even knowing what she will respond.
Jenny, there's something I've been meaning to tell you.
What is it, Jake?
Past few days, I noticed that my heart fall to someone what's gorgeous both inside and outside. There's a saying, A comes before B, meaning attitude comes before beauty and brain. And I can see all of those to you.
Oh my god! Is this even real? Am I dreaming while awake?
Yes, you heard it right, Jenny. So, is it a yes or no?
I appreciate your confession, Jake, and I will say yes.
After that day, we did nothing but talk about us and our future. That she also decided to take me to her home to create more memories together. Live together, sleep and wake up together.
Jenny, is this your house?
Yes, Jake, just bear with the house, okay? It's a bit small.
No, it's okay.
Just put your bags here. Jake,
Yes?
you can sleep in my room and I'll just sleep in the living room.
No, I just sleep in the living room. Just go rest in your bed, okay?
How about we'll go sleep together in my room? Is it okay with you? Good night, Jake.
What's wrong?
Nothing. I'll get up first.
Good morning, Jenny.
Oh, good morning, Jake. How was your sleep?
It's okay. How about yours?
It's good too. Oh, it's almost time. Jake, hurry. We're gonna be late on school. Let's go, Jake, hurry.
Okay.
Days have passed, and we didn't notice the passing of time because of the joyful moments we made every day. A moment where we didn't notice that we're slowly being comfortable with each other. A moment where we want to slow down every minute. Till one day, I noticed him slowly changing.
Jake, want to go to school with me?
No, I'm in a hurry.
Wait, Jake, your lunch back. should eat your food.
Yeah, later.
Your food is getting cold. You should eat them.
I said later. I lost my appetite.
It's being mad for some small reasons, and I don't know why. It got to the point where I feel like I already can't feel the Jake I met before. I always think that maybe he's just stressed at school, or maybe he's courting someone new. But I'm always hoping that someday, someone or something will make him change, and I'll be the Jake I used to love before. Morning, Jake.
I'll just take a shower.
Jake, the food is ready. Let's eat.
No thanks.
Where are you going, Jake?
Just doing some business. Jenny? 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 Jenny! Jenny! Jenny, wake up! Jenny! Jenny!
Dear Jake, lately, I've noticed that you've changed a lot, which made me so sad because even though I didn't lose you physically, but I felt like I've lost you, the old you. But it's okay. Maybe we weren't really meant for each other. Maybe you're busy or found someone new. Maybe we really aren't distant. However, I want you to feel free. You're free now, my love, to find someone you want to have for the rest of your life. I chose to end mine because living in this world without you is a nightmare. So thrive this beautiful world, love, even without me. Sincerely yours, Jenny.
Jenny!
What happened, Jake? What happened, Jake?
I thought I've lost you. Can I hug you a bit more?
After the worst nightmare, I learned a very important lesson, and that is, you need to express your love to your loved ones, not just sometimes, but every times. Because you never know when will they be gone from your side. So value every seconds, because that is a gift. Remember, time is gold, so learn to value it. Because the saying is true. You can't feel someone's value and worth if you can't feel their absence.
Wise man say only fools rush shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I